When I used to work on ships and we used to keep traveling to Mexico a lot, this place used to make some amazing red snapper and with some tortilla, but one dish used to always stand out: pan-fried eggs. This egg has been boiled for 6 minutes. It's not overboiled, it's not less boiled. So my pan is hot. I'm going to cut these eggs into halves. I'll sprinkle some pepper on top of these, some salt, and the secret is that I'm going to just touch it with some garlic. That brings on the flavor. And now the time is to pan fry the eggs. I'm only going to pan fry it from one side, so that they get some nice golden brown color. The little bit of color you see, just perfect. Now I have to make a beautiful salsa. I'm just taking some chopped tomatoes, a touch of onions, nice amount of cilantro, a little bit of chilies, a little bit of basil, a touch of sugar, some salt, and some lemon juice. Nice extra virgin olive oil. So my salsa is ready. So now I'm left with the mango slot. I'll add some shredded raw mangoes, a touch of chilies, some cilantro, and some sugar and some salt, and finally some lemon juice. So my mango slaw is ready. It's time to plate. Now it's time to put the eggs. And my Mexican egg with salsa is ready.